crispy oven fried chicken because
Chicken nuggets.
we're baking chicken nuggets because it's dinner time for us right now. And
Okay.
maybe you could be watching this while you're making dinner, so you would know how to make these. In a large bowl, whisk together buttermilk or regular milk.
How much milk?
2 cups.
Okay, here's your cups. That's 1 cup.
So I need to do 2 of these.
Pour it over the bowl. Excellent.
1 more.
Excellent. Go ahead and put her in there.
Put it in there. Now set this back here and twist on the cap.
All right, what's next?
Dijon mustard.
Oh, there you go.
Can I do it?
Yeah, here. Do it off.
We're probably never going to use this again after this recipe.
We'll use it for something.
Oh, that smells bad.
It does.
Yeah. But we're supposed to use it anyway.
It helps. You won't taste it. How much are you supposed to put in?
2 tablespoons.
Okay, it's a tablespoon. Thank you. Excellent.
There's still a little.
It's okay. You're going to use that to mix. Put it in the bowl. There you go. Nope, close enough. All right,
It's
what now?
alright. And some of this, the Gospel Meat Barbecue Crunch, Meat Crunch Barbecue, all-purpose rub. Meat Church Barbecue, all-purpose rub.
Yep. Go ahead.
This stuff. So, this, wait. So basically just...
Yes, pour it in till you feel happy.
Because it says like 1/2 teaspoon.
Yeah, we don't care. We want it to taste good. That's good.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, what now?
Snap. Oh, I guess it won't snap. Now I have to stir it together.
Okay.
Hey, Dad, you're not really much in our videos much anymore.
Yeah.
I thought you are the cameraman, or you're just in the background.
Yep.
Dad, say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
There.
All right, what now?
Use paper towel to grasp skin on 1 piece of chicken.
All right, we're not going to do that because we got ground chicken.
Add to buttered milk mixture and turn to coat well.
What's next?
After that, you have to wash your hands, cover bowl with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or overnight.
Okay, we're not doing that either. Keep going.
Adjust rack to middle position and heat oven to 400 degrees.
Okay, what's next?
Line rimmed baking sheet with aluminum foil and set cooling rack inside baking sheet. Spray chicken all over with vegetable oil. Spray until each piece is shiny. Place baking sheet in oven and bake until chicken breasts, or the regular chicken as we're using, register 165 degrees.
Okay, nothing in there tells us what to do with the breadcrumbs, son. You didn't read that part, did you?
I did in my head.
Oh, you read it in your head?
Because you said just to get to the
It's
part
true, I
where we
did.
make it.
You're right, I'm wrong.
Basically, after we coat it in that stuff, we have to put these cornflakes in a plastic bag and then crush them up.
Okay, get me a plastic
Or
bag.
with a rolling pin. That's what the
plastic
book
bag.
says. The book says to do it with a rolling pin. And the bags are pretty large in the book.
Get it. Yep, that's fine.
Can you hold it? Well, like that. I'll just set it here.
That's a wonderful idea.
And then, while I pour it in, I need my pocket knife.
Okay, we need our pocket knife.
Kids, don't use a pocket knife without parent permission. My dad lets me. So ask your mom or dad to use a pocket knife. Whenever you're opening the bag. Or just use one with an already open bag.
Or pull the bag up. There you go.
Bag.
Not all the way out, just about it.
Pocket
Excellent.
knife safety rule number 1, always cut away from you. And make sure not to cut yourself. That's rule number 2.
Here you go. How much you pouring in?
That much.
Okay.
Because we just need to turn it into like a lot of crumbs.
Bust it up.
I need to close the bag first.
That's correct, you do. Here, hold on. You still got air in there. You want to roll it like you're rolling a burrito. Give her help. Careful. Don't bust the bag up.
Dad's really strong, so he's helping.
I think that's good. What now?
Wait, I'm gonna crush up these ones at the top. Oh shoot, this just fell. This just fell.
What now?
Next, you need to put this.
We were gonna coat the chicken, right?
Yes, and
Excellent.
then
All right, hold on.
put it in the crumbs.
Okay. I'm gonna show you. Come here. Bring your crumbs over here.
Crumbs.
Pour them in here.
Okay. Oh, it smells good.
You smell good?
Yeah. I might have these for breakfast sometime.
Probably not. Okay.
Okay,
So,
we're ready.
what we're gonna do? I'm gonna drain this liquid. Oh,
Drain the
Dad almost
liquid.
fell over. Let's get over.
Where do we drain it?
In the sink, son.
I mean, like, what do we use? Oh, our hand. Your hand.
Okay. I'm messy. I don't care. This is my house. I don't care. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it
What?
and you're gonna like form it into a ball. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Okay. And you're gonna put it in here. You're gonna coat it.
Coat it.
We're gonna see if this works.
See if what works.
Oh yeah. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Just make a ball.
Just put it in there.
Yep. You just put it like that. Have at it. Close-ups, that way they can see what you're doing.
Ah, shoot! I made a baby nugget.
It's alright.
I put it back together. Shoot.
Just keep repeating that process. They're watching you.
So I'm coating this in with cornflakes. I mean, this is really fun. Kind of flatten it a little. What?
Your surprise is not here.
Dang! I still have a feeling it's that hat.
It's like Darth Vader. Best guy in Star Wars.
Also, guys, Dad's gonna go back in the hospital in 2 weekends, which is sad. But
It's okay, buddy. I'll be fine.
I hope the best for him, and I hope you guys too do as well. Yay, fries! Oh, it's heavy. Oh,
Put it on top of that one. Push it in there from the side. Yep, just like that. A little bit more.
A little more.
Excellent. Now close it. Is it hot in there? Well, it's an oven. We're back. All right, open the oven.
Hi, YouTube. We're back.
You pull that out of there.
It's sure toasty.
It's very toasty.
Toasty. Very toasty.
Put it up there.
Put it up there.
Close the oven.
Close the oven.
Turn it off.
Wait, I'm gonna take off the oven mitts first. Turn it off.
How do you feel about your final product?
It looks good.
Looks good.
Just don't know how it tastes.
Okay.
We're gonna have to wait for it to cool though.
All right. We'll wait for.
Oh, right. I need to turn off the. Oh. Oh, yeah. Dad, you're gonna try one of these thick chicken pieces with me.
Nope. It's all yours.
I don't know if it will be good or not. Probably will. Maybe it won't.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
All right.
Jackson approved.